Hello and a warm welcome to Keeping It Real by Housing.com, the podcast where we dive into the world of real estate and explore the trends and discuss insights about the industry. I'm your host, Gaurav Choudhury. In this episode, we are going to talk about the latest trends in the Indian real estate market, and we have got some very interesting stats to share with you. According to the latest report by PropTiger.com, part of REA India, which also owns Housing.com, India's housing prices are showing signs of stabilization in the first quarter of 2025. Now, this is a significant development, and we'll break it down for you in greater detail. The report suggests that while residential real estate prices in India continue their upward trajectory on a year on year basis, the pace of growth has clearly moderated over the past 2 to 3 quarters. This moderation indicates a potential plateau after several quarters of consistent growth. So, what does this mean? It means that the market is slowly stabilizing and we might see a more sustainable growth trajectory in the coming quarters. Let's take a closer look at some of the cities. Bengaluru and Hyderabad are still witnessing very healthy growth, with Bengaluru registering a 5% quarterly growth and Hyderabad also seeing a 5% rise. Ahmedabad reported a 3.8% quarterly growth, with average rates moving up to rupees 4,568 per square feet, while Kolkata was not far behind, registering a 4% rise during the same period. Other major markets like Delhi NCR, Chennai and MMR or the Mumbai metropolitan region remain largely stable. According to Mr. Dhruv Agarwala, Group CEO of Housing.com and PropTiger.com, quote, the moderation in price growth observed over the past few quarters indicates a stabilizing market dynamic, likely encouraging the return of end users previously displaced by speculative activity. This is a crucial point, as it suggests that the market is becoming more rational and sustainable. The report also highlights that factors such as rising land and construction costs, along with steady investor activity, have contributed to the shift towards a more rational and sustainable pricing environment. This makes sense given the current market conditions. With rising costs and steady demand, developers are likely to be more cautious in their pricing strategies. Now let's talk about the market consolidation phase. The report suggests that the Indian residential real estate market is undergoing a phase of cautious consolidation. While cities like Bengaluru and Hyderabad continue to register modest price increases, the rapid expansion momentum is tapering off. Metro and large markets like Chennai and the Mumbai metropolitan region or the MMR market exhibited virtually no change in average prices despite new luxury project launches, underscoring a plateauing effect where supply demand dynamics have reached probably a temporary equilibrium. The market is expected to further undergo consolidation in 2025, reinforcing structural fundamentals and enabling steady, sustainable price gains. This evolving stability is likely to pave the way for renewed new launches and greater participation from end users, supported by strong long term fundamentals. So, what does this mean for the Indian real estate market? It seems the market is transitioning from a phase of robust growth to one characterized by cautious consolidation. While select high demand areas continue to see moderate price gains, overall trends point to consolidation and correction in overheated pockets. For investors and home buyers, this is a very crucial development. It suggests that the market is becoming more stable and sustainable, which could lead to increased confidence and participation from end users. However, it's essential to keep in mind that the market is still evolving and there still might be some volatility in the short term. That's it from us for this episode. We'll be back again with a fresh episode of Keeping It Real by Housing.com with information insights on the real estate industry. Whether you are a pro or a beginner, we are here to keep you informed and entertained in the world of Indian real estate. This is Keeping It Real by Housing.com, where we keep it real always. You can catch the episode on Housing.com, on the Housing.com app, on the YouTube channel of Housing.com, on earshot.in, Spotify.com, Apple Podcasts, YouTube Podcasts, and Geo7. Take care and stay safe.